Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Subway Surfers to your Facebook account. To connect Subway Surfers to your Facebook account, first of all, launch Open Subway Surfers application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. In the pop-up where it says Settings, tap the Connect button under Facebook. Click the Continue button to get to facebook.com to sign into your Facebook account. If you've already logged into your Facebook app, you can tap on the Open button in the pop-up and then select your Facebook account from the list. Enter your Facebook account's email and password and you will then be able to log into Facebook. Now click on the Continue button in the pop-up and then you will be able to grant the necessary permissions to allow Subway Surfer access to your Facebook account. Your game will be saved and synced across devices, and your Facebook friends' scores and challenges will also be accessible after you connect your Subway Surfers account to Facebook account. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.